We have two different size dryers here at Mohawk Point Laundry. These are our 50-pound machines, which hold about 5 baskets worth. And then off to the right here, we have some 83-pound machines, and there's another 3 all the way at the other end. These hold about 8 baskets worth, maybe even close to 9 of laundry. How you use our dryers is you want to try to follow the arrows of where each one goes. So this credit card reader goes down to the bottom. This credit card reader goes up to the top. To be able to kind of set up your dryer, our washers spin out all of your items really, really efficiently to where they're almost basically dry once you take them out of our washers, which means you don't really have to use that much when drying your clothes here, which saves you money. In the long run, what I usually recommend is try with just $1 to start with. And then if you need more time, you can always add 1 more quarter's worth of money each time until you feel like your clothes are dry enough. If you're using your loyalty card or debit or credit card, how you're going to want to operate these machines, since we're wanting to get to $1, you're going to go to the credit card reader and you're going to hit this enter button, which will add 25 cents until you get to the price you desire. For us, that's $1. And then we're going to swipe our card through. Once you see all the green lights, that means that the card reader is going to be authorizing, just like it did on those washers. And then we'll wait for that to authorize. Usually it takes no more than a minute. And it's already authorized. Then it counts down on its own, starts and puts the time on the dryer for you, and then your dryer is ready and going to dry your clothes.